My name is Liyah Gonzalez, and I'm in the Baking and Pastry Arts Management program here at Centennial, and I am the bronze medalist for Skills Ontario 2026. What made me choose Centennial and come for this program was overall it just seemed to fit into place, and I came to check out Centennial and I talked to Chef Demi here, and it just seemed like this is where I should be coming. My favorite hands-on experience would probably be the lab. I think this is where you learn the most, is in the labs, because everything's hands-on and you're working with others. You're kind of getting to, you're not officially in a kitchen, but you're just learning how to create stuff with others. Well, the management program that I specifically took, we have co-op in our last semester, and I feel like that's where a lot of students are able to get jobs, because basically they're being an intern there. It's kind of like a gateway since it's at the end of the semester, so you kind of transition from being in placement, and then if the people like how you work, then you get hired. All the chefs, all the teachers here are really supportive. If they see that you're really eager to learn, they'll do everything that they can to help you get there to wherever you want to go. You know, I feel like Centennial here, they're very supportive, and they just want to see everyone come out here just a way better chef. The difference would be my confidence. Like, I'm more sure that where I'm going, that everything will be okay. Like, I'm not so uncertain because I've kind of gotten a taste of what it's like to be working fully in the industry. That day, competition day, was actually pretty messy because they supply the ingredients, right? And so some of the ingredients wasn't there when we first arrived, or some things were frozen. I kind of took that as like a challenge to be like, well, they're kind of testing us on how well we can like think on the fly, like how creative we can get with problem solving. I had a feeling something bad would happen that day. So I was just like, you have to know that everything that could go wrong will go wrong. So that was like right at the beginning. So off to the start, it was just like, okay, like you can't always do everything to a T on how you plan. Let's just do with the best we can with whatever we have. If you want to choose this route for this industry, you really have to go for it. Like, don't be shy. There's really like no stupid questions. Ask everything, because you have nothing to lose. You have everything to gain.